Okay, so hi, my name is Chloe.
And more arts at WINTON School, I'm Madison. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our Monday the 29th of May.
Okay, we start the day off with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is taringa, which is te rea for ear.
As in use your ngā taringa.
Ka pai. Okay, into library news. The library is open Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's today.
Okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everybody wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play.
Yes, we have an assembly today and everyone needs to look sharp.
And talking of lunchtime, please take care and be patient when queuing for sausages and hot chocolates today. Kia ora.
Basketball news. Good luck to all the teams shooting hoops tonight.
One birthday at WINTON School today.
Chloe, you're turning 11 today. Happy birthday. Have a great day.
Thanks, I will. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, both front and behind the camera, ka kite a te wiki.
Haere rā, WINTON School.